Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use an incredible AI tool called ABACUS to make money online. And the best part? You don't need to show your face, create content, or spend hours working. I'll also introduce you to a social media platform that's exploding right now, Threads, and show you how to automate the entire process. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about ABACUS. It's an amazing AI tool that's similar to ChatGPT, but with some unique features. I've been testing it, and the results are insane. ABACUS can help you create content, plan strategies, and even automate your workflow. I'll show you how to use it to promote products and make money. To start, you'll need a product to promote. I recommend using ClickBank, a platform with tons of affiliate products. For this tutorial, we'll focus on a product called JavaBurn, a coffee-based weight loss supplement. It's relatable, popular, and offers high commissions, up to $159 per sale. Here's how to find it. Log into ClickBank, go to the marketplace, and sort products by gravity high to low. This ensures you're promoting top-performing products. Once you've selected JavaBurn, generate your unique affiliate link. Now, let's talk about where to promote your product. Threads. This platform is perfect for beginners. You don't need a following to get started, and simple posts can reach thousands of people. For example, one-liners, polls, and engagement-driven content perform exceptionally well. Look at this post. It's just a simple one-liner, but it got over 5,000 views in a few hours. With ABACUS, you can create similar content effortlessly. Here's where ABACUS comes in. I asked it to create a 14-day content plan for promoting JavaBurn on Threads. It generated funny coffee-related posts, educational tips, and soft promotions, all tailored to drive traffic to my affiliate link. ABACUS can provide a posting schedule. For example, on Monday, you post an educational tip, on Tuesday, a poll, and so on. It's all about consistency and variety. To save time, I use buffer.com to schedule my posts. It's a simple tool that lets you plan and automate your content for Threads. You can try it free for 14 days, and after that, it's just $5 a month. Here's how it works. Copy your content from ABACUS, paste it into Buffer, and schedule it. That's it. You can plan weeks of content in just a few hours. If you're serious about making money online, I highly recommend combining ABACUS, Threads, and automation tools like Buffer. And don't forget to collect leads using an opt-in page. Building your buyers list is key and allows you to promote additional products and maximize your earnings. Want to learn more? Visit wiseonlinemarketer.com to learn about and explore a fantastic platform that can support you to accomplish this goal very easily as an affiliate marketer and social media strategist. Plus, you'll get access to my support and exciting blockchain impact projects and opportunities. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Until next time, take care and happy earning.